Hello students, in chapter 12, Turkish invasions in North India, you know that we are learning about Muhammad Ghori, and today we will discuss about the battles which have done or made by Muhammad Ghori. So the first battle in 1191 CE. In the first battle of the Rhine, Muhammad Ghori was defeated by Prithvi Raj Chauhan. But in second battle in 1192 CE, in the second battle of the Rhine, Prithvi Raj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori, and also he was killed by Muhammad Ghori. Then next battle in 1193 CE, Ghori attacked Jechan. Who was Jechan? Jechan was father-in-law of Prithvi Raj Chauhan, and in this battle Jechan was defeated. So we have studied that most of the battles Indians defeated and Turkish people were the winners. So what were the reason of the defeat of Indian rulers and winning of Turkish rulers? We will discuss about the causes why they defeat. Firstly, the disunity among Indian rulers was the main cause. They were not united. That was the reason. Second is caste system was there. They strictly believe in caste system. Next, common people had no contact with the rulers. That's why they did not supported the rulers, and they also were dissatisfied with the rulers. That's why they did not support the rulers. Next point is that some Rajput rulers helped the Turks rather than helping their country. They helped the Turks against their own country. This was the main cause of the defeat of Indian rulers. And Muhammad Ghori's army was well equipped, and his campaigns were properly planned. Means they go with the planning, but Indians have no planning about the campaign or battle. And another cause was that Muslims or Turkish used horses in the battles, but Indians used old methods and elephants in the war. So the elephants were not much help during the war, as many a time they turned their wrath on their own forces. In this way, Indians defeat in the battles and Muslims won the war. So this was about the Turkish invasions in North India. Today you have to learn and write 5 causes of defeat of Indian rulers from Muhammad Ghori. Okay, thank you.